right, this is part 2 for Number Corner on October 20th. Sorry that we lost you at home. We ran out of space recording on our iPad, so we had to fix it up and we're back. So we were taking a look at this bar graph and we labeled it favorite ways to exercise, and my question to you guys was how many kids took the survey? You guys came up with 25, and Grace, you were pointing something out to us. What were you telling us?
I was telling you that they count by fives. It started
Exactly.
with 0, then the second line went to 5, and then the third line went to 10. And one of them ends, but the other one keeps going. And if you go on, then there's 15.
Right.
So now we only have to change the tens place, which made it 25.
Okay. Yeah, so we can just count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So you guys were right that 25 kids took this survey. My next question is, why do people do this? Why do people not just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go by ones? Faith?
It's a quicker way to count, and
Sure.
And I have something to notice. This is a quicker way to count it. So if we go from 15 and then we count those two from here, then you get the answer.
Oh, that's true. Like in your mind, if you take those two and move them down there, then you can just kind of zip, add them all up. What are you thinking, Emmett?
How would they not draw anything until 5 people have gone, or would they just
That's a good question.
how would they done that?
No, you could add on a little. It's almost like you have to sort of eyeball it, or like for instance, let's say that Emmett took this survey after this was completed, and he's only counting as one vote. You have to kind of think about, like with your eyes, sectioning this into 5 columns, right? In a way. Okay, and then if we had only one more vote, we could change it to here. See what I mean?
Well, can I answer the question?
Sure, let's do it. Okay.
I would say bike riding.
Okay. So I'm gonna add on bike riding.
I would say both.
I only get one vote.
I would say bike. I'd say bike. I would say skateboard.
All right, we can add ourselves on. Raise your hand if you are voting for bike. 1, 2,
3.
Okay, so 3 including Grace. So we'll add on one more section here.
No, Gates voted. Gates is
Well, I'm just kind of concentrating on you second graders. Thanks for weighing in though, Gates.
You are
Okay, so that's not perfect, but
Benton's.
I guess that's not too bad. Okay, how many people are voting for skateboard? 1, 2, 3 of you second graders have skateboards. Okay.
I have a skateboard, but I like
Skateboard is better than bike riding.
I know, it kind of is.
Skateboard is way better than bike riding.
Yeah, I used to like skateboard better.
Okay. So now this changed our results a little bit. Hold on a second, Cross. Have a seat, because you might even be blocking the kids from home from seeing the screen. I'm not sure. Okay. How many kids have taken the survey now? I'm going to give you guys a chance to count it up. Okay, if you think you know it, what is it?
31.
31.
31?
41.
I'm hearing 31 and 41, so let's check it out.
46.
So, and 46 now. Let's see. We're counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We knew that from before. Then we're counting on, these are kind of like adding by 1, so 25.
Are you talking about
26,
how many votes in all?
27, 28, 29, 30. So 31 kids took the survey because we added our votes. Okay?
I said it first.
But you guys, it wasn't really a contest. I wanted you to say it at the same time. So 31 kids. Okay, how many more kids chose biking compared to skateboarding? So that's your next question.
None.
Do we add up the second graders too?
Yeah, let's go ahead and add in what we added now. We're in it now. So how many more kids voted for biking compared to skateboarding? What I would like though is for you guys not to just shout this one. Like I know we've heard you say 5, so let's see if you guys think you agree or disagree. I don't know, we'll see. So Grace, we know you think 5.
5.
You think 5? 6. So 5 or 6? 5 from you? Okay, so let's see. We have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm going to jot that down.
That's 5.
Maybe. Hold on.
Yes, it is.
Cayenne, I'm not disagreeing with you yet. I'm just trying to set up the problem. Okay, and then we have 5, 10, 6, 7, 8. So 8 kids. Oh wait, that's not right. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. I almost got myself messed up on here. Okay, so what we did was we took 18 and we subtracted 13, and you guys were right that that's 5, so great job. Okay, we'll leave this one for now. I wanted us to draw another little square out of our pot and see if we have red or blue.
It's gonna be blue.
Doesn't it seem like
It's
it?
gonna be red.
Let's see where we left off
Once
from yesterday.
you can't red just pops up.
Okay, so we have the chance, if we pull a red one, we have the chance to kind of even it out and make it exactly half. So we'll see.
Red.
Who thinks it's going to be blue?
Red.
Who thinks it's going to be red? Okay, I'm not asking you to chant it, please. We're just a real quick answer. Okay,
Blue.
let's see. Oh,
I said
blue,
blue.
and then a red one tried.
Crap.
Nope, yeah, we don't say that. Cover your nose, please.
It's not fair.
Okay, so unfortunately for the red, we still have less than half red. We'll start this down here again, Cross. Okay, there is one more thing that I wanted us to talk about in Number Corner today, and that is just to remind you guys about how to use an open number line, because I noticed that during some of our morning work stuff, let's move this over here for a minute. During some of our morning work stuff that we had going on, some of you could have used an open number line for part of it, and you weren't quite sure how to do it anymore. So I wanted to kind of do a quick review. Okay, so let's say that you have this open number line. Hopefully you remember this from virtual, because we did this during virtual learning. And let's say that I'm giving you the problem 67 minus 5. Okay? Now you might look at that and you might know exactly what the answer is, and that's totally fine. Sometimes though you're asked to show your work, right? And you have to show something to prove your thinking. So one way that you could do this is an open number line. If you're subtracting, you start down here and you plot a point, and we'll call it 67. I hear you're going yeet, yeet, yeet. Is that what you're saying? Is that what this means? Yeet, yeet, yeet. So now we got sound effects to go with it from Cross. We're going to subtract 5. So yeet, 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 yeet. I love how weird we can be together. This is great. Okay, we're subtracting 5. So that was 66, 65, 64, 63,
62.
62 is your answer. So we can complete our equation there. Equals 62. So that's one way you could use a number line, to find your answer. This also works for addition. I think I'll just use a Kleenex here to erase this. Need to get an eraser.
You have it.
I'm just going to move this up here. All right, and then let's do another one. We'll do 82 plus, I don't know, we'll do plus 7. We can get some extra yeets in there. Where did that even come from, Cross?
Preston.
I don't know.
Okay, now please listen. On addition, you're going to start over here, and we'll plot our point with the big number, right? You start with the big number, because otherwise you're yeeting way too much, right? Now it's a verb and everything. Okay, so 82, and we're going to add on 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Okay, and now let's see. 83, 84.
86, 88.
Well, you sounded like a Southern belle when you were saying that. Okay, so 89 was your answer, okay? So this was just a quick reminder of how you can use an open number line. My class, maybe you guys want to do this at home, but in our class today, we're looking at page 47. They're showing you open number lines, and I want you to practice using those, like what we just did, to find the answers on page 47 in your Number Corner packet, okay? So let's go ahead and do that now, and we'll see you guys at home later on.
You're stabbing.